everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can discover your iPhone's battery health. What you need to do is you just need to go to your settings. Another settings, there is a battery option here. Just tap on it and you see an interface like this, and then there is a battery health option here. Just tap on it, and under battery health option there is a cycle count which is 43. It means that my battery is nearly new. Apple suggests that if you completed your 500 to 600 cycles, your battery health will remain an 80% of its original value. So for example, if you want to see the degradation of my battery, it will be around, if you calculate it, it will be around 43 divided by 500, which means an 80% health into 8. It means that my battery health might be less than 2 or 3% degradation. So that's how you can check your iPhone battery health, and I hope this video helping out in figuring out your iPhone battery, which is very important for your working experience. Thank you. Bye bye.